Jong Hilario doesn't want daughter Sarina to lose her childhood. Nagpakitang gilas ang mag-amang Jong at Sarina Hilario sa Extraordinary Chrysler Born to Shine, ika-10 birthday concert noong ika-18 ng Hulyo, 2026, Sabado, sa Samsung Hall ng SM Aura, BGC, Taguig City. Nakapanayam ng PEP Troika sina Jong, Sarina at ang Little CEO na si Chrysler Jorge sa dressing room bago nag-umpisa ang palabas. Sabi ni Jong, talagang close friends ang 5-year-old daughter niyang si Sarina at si Chrysler ng Purple Hearts Foundation. Hindi raw nila pwedeng tanggihan ang request ni Chrysler na mag-guest sa birthday concert nito. Minsan pumupunta si Chrysler kapag may gift-giving si Sarina, sabi ni Jong. So yung Purple Hearts family talagang very supportive kay Sarina. And of course, Chrysler is also performing sa mga event. So yeah, talagang sobrang thankful kami kay Chrysler and sa Purple Hearts family. Kaya talagang yung hindi talaga namin mahindihan si Chrysler kasi sobrang sobrang talagang hindi sila nagmimintis kapag nag-request kami for like gift giving.